How to create shared calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu button and then tap on the settings icon. In here, we scroll down and then tap on manage calendars. Now you need to use Samsung Calendar to create a shared calendar. So go down to your Samsung account and tap on create shared calendar. Give your calendar a name and select a color for your calendar and tap on create. Next, you can share a link so anyone can join, or you can choose contacts and then select the contact that you want to share. So here I'll select one and then just tap on invite. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.